Way over in West Africa, in a country called Mali, live the Dogon people. They're known for their really cool culture and their awesome beliefs about space. For hundreds of years, they've lived on the Bandiagara escarpment. Imagine giant cliffs and dry, flat land. That's where they call home. Living there has kept them separate from other people and helped them hold on to their traditions, even though they live far away from everyone else. The Dogon have built a complicated society with a rich history and a deep understanding of space. Because they are so isolated, they've been able to keep their traditions alive, including their knowledge of the stars, which has been passed down through storytelling. This makes the Dogon and their space knowledge super interesting to scientists who study people and space. Their ideas about how the universe works, which seem impossible to figure out without special tools, have puzzled researchers and inspired lots of cool theories. The Dogon people know a lot about space, way more than you'd think, just by looking up at the night sky. For example, that they've known about Sirius B for a long time. Sirius B is a small dim star that hangs out next to Sirius, the brightest star we can see. You need a telescope to see Sirius B, but the Dogon have known about it for centuries. It's a total mystery how they knew about it. Some scientists think maybe they learned it from travelers a long time ago or from other groups of people, but the Dogon say their knowledge came from their ancestors. And the Nomo. The Nomo are like spirits that live in the water, and the Dogon believe they came from the Sirius star system to visit Earth. They believe these Nomo taught them secrets about space. The Dogon have an amazing story about how the universe began. They believe a god named Amma created everything from a tiny seed called a Po. This tiny seed held all the stuff that would become the stars, planets, and everything else. Amma then got the universe moving, creating everything we see today. The Dogon don't think the universe just sits still. They believe it grows bigger and then smaller again and again, like a heartbeat. They also believe the universe is full of different creatures. Some we can see and some we can't, and they're all connected. This idea of connection is important to how they live and how they respect nature. The Nomo are super important to the Dogon. They see them as wise spirits who live in water and came to Earth from Sirius. The Dogon believe the Nomo taught humans important things like how to grow food, about the stars, and how to live together peacefully. Dogon art often shows the Nomo as creatures that look like fish mixed with humans. They're like messengers between people and the gods, guiding and protecting us. Because they're connected to water, they're also connected to life itself, and the idea that the universe keeps going in cycles. The Dogon's respect for the Nomo shows how much they believe that the universe is full of life and that it's important to learn from things beyond our own world.